Powe. Yeah. I've been trying to feed my family up in Hell's Kitchen, Gordon Ramsay. It got hot, they sat down cause they can't stand me. I'm on TikTok, just where the fans be. Up in Hell's Kitchen, we serve Christ and we ain't switching. And you can see the balls thumb we hitting. Trying to feed my family, got the silverware in Hell's Kitchen. Gordon Ramsay, Niko, who is he again? Never mind, give him an order of beef Wellington or a Caesar salad. See ya at Caesar's Palace. I ain't trying to cup, but we got it going. I'm glad I had it. I'm just trying to feed my family up in Hell's Kitchen, Gordon Ramsay. I hope you understand me, cause I know you trying to feed your family. They get mad, they don't understand your ways. Gordon Ramsay, Now they want you out in the desert, but the sticky toffee pudding is for dessert. I know they saying that hurts. Coming through with the HK fork. They see the glasses and gap and swear that I'm a dork. But I'm a dude that they won't sleep on a report. My mission coming through cause I be balling out for a sport. Up in Hell's Kitchen, won the season finale, but they swear that there's still some competition. Yeah, we cooking and we cooking on this mission. Get tomatoes in the oven's Hell's Kitchen. And although they can't stand me, I see I got more similarities with Gordon Ramsay. And although they can't stand me, I got more similarities than I thought with Gordon. I've been trying to feed my family up in Hell's Kitchen, Gordon Ramsay. It got hot. They sat down, they couldn't stand me, but I'm on TikTok, where the fans be. All glory belongs to God. Give me that beef Wellington. Nah, I have to take the Caesar salad. And this sticky toffee pudding, what you know? Where would Niko go? You try to serve me that, I had to send it back.
Congratulations.
In Hell's Kitchen, like Gordon.
Hey man, what you doing? I'm going. Hashtag Niko Powe. That is the tour of Caesar's Palace. Follow for more. I guess so. Okay, Gordon, I can't cook as good as you, but I want to know why your sign's not on, okay? Because I came here to get...